On this episode of Worst Cooks of America, we have a college student that is not able to cook. Oh wow, what Gen Z of me. I want everything to be done myself. I'm going through this basic week in my life of me trying to be someone that can cook on their own when really I can only make 6 things, but I know how to repackage them in other ways that makes them more convenient and look more aesthetically pleasing and nice to eat. As you can see here, we're having a nice waffle breakfast, and I hope you enjoy me not being able to cook.
What does EA mean? Okay, but like, I'm your sister.
A clown. That's clown shit.
Away from people, some of the most marvelous fulfillments a man like me can have. Just the absence of humanity is a fulfillment so graceful that even God would understand if he invented them.
I have about 45 minutes before I have a job meeting for next semester. It's actually a legitimate job, which is exciting. I kind of found it in my email inbox a couple of days ago, and I was just kind of interested in it, so I was like, let me learn more about it, because if I can make more than minimum wage as a college student...
Immaculate.
So I'm going to give you Peter for the first part, but at the end of the call, we're going to have time for questions and answers, at which point, anyone can unmute and ask whatever it is they're thinking, feeling, wondering about, and we can, continue the conversation. But
That is good. The beef is good. Thank you. Hi! Ramen noodles gives me an arm workout every single time. I'm now gonna go ahead and cook these on the stove.
Excuse me,
That time, that was one of the special moments. I hadn't taken of them. She came back one day, I started dancing. Wow.
Going thrifting today! Hello everyone, I'm going job hunting today. Before that, I'm gonna go to Zaxby's and get myself some lunch. I ended up not eating breakfast today. I was supposed to go this morning, but life's been kind of crazy because I'm back in Arkansas where I have too much family, where I can't do things myself. It's around almost 1 and I haven't really eaten anything. I had a Skinny Pop popcorn, but of course that's not food. Let's go. Oh, it locked itself. Cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, I ended up being so hungry that I totally forgot to film the food.
We tried. At least, you know, she...
This is the aftermath. As you can see, it is completely demolished and finished. I was so hungry. I am so glad I had that food. I am in the car going to Starbucks for breakfast. It's the final day of this what I eat in a week. It's very scattered and I do apologize for that. My camera battery died and I actually found out I left my camera battery charger at my mom's house. You know, which is super fun. I mean, I love that for me.